Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have 3 areas where we have a slight risk for severe weather today. One slight risk area today covers West Central and South Central Texas. A second slight risk area today encompasses southeastern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, far northeastern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, western North Carolina, far south central West Virginia, and southwestern Virginia. And the third slight risk area today covers southeastern Georgia and far northeastern Florida. Cities in today's slates include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Greensboro, North Carolina, and Laredo, Texas. And we have 2 marginals today. One marginal covering West Central and Southeastern Texas. Another marginal today covering Southeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, Western Tennessee, Northeastern Arkansas, Southeastern Missouri, South Central Illinois, South Central Indiana, most of Kentucky, a tiny bit of South Central Ohio, parts of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., Central Maryland, much of Virginia, Central North Carolina, most of South Carolina, most of Georgia, much of Alabama, and much of Florida. Cities in today's marginals include San Antonio, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to today's tornado threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today, one covering South Central Texas, and another 2% tornado risk area today covering southeastern Kentucky, far south central West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, western North Carolina, much of Tennessee, extreme northeastern corner of Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and northwestern South Carolina. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk areas today include Nashville, Tennessee, Laredo, Texas, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Brownsville, Texas. Going to today's wind threat, there are 3 areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering far south central Texas. Another 15% area today covers southeastern Kentucky, far south central West Virginia, southwestern Virginia, western North Carolina, most of Tennessee, extreme northeastern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and northwestern South Carolina. And a third 15% wind risk area today encompasses southeastern Georgia and extreme northeastern Florida. Cities in today's 15% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Greensboro, North Carolina, and Laredo, Texas. And there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering West Central and Southeastern Texas, and another 5% area covering Central Maryland, Washington, D.C., parts of Virginia, parts of West Virginia, a tiny bit of South Central Ohio, most of Kentucky, far South Central Indiana, far southern Illinois, far southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, southeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, most of Georgia, most of South Carolina, much of North Carolina, and much of Florida. Cities in today's 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, and Baltimore, Maryland. Going to today's hail threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, one covering West Central and South Central Texas, and another covering another 15% hail risk area today covering southeastern Kentucky, far south central West Virginia, far southwestern Virginia, western North Carolina, much of Tennessee, far northeastern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Georgia, and northwestern South Carolina. So, cities in today's 15% hail risk areas today include Nashville, Tennessee, Laredo, Texas, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Brownsville, Texas. So, now, there are also two areas where there are two black dashed areas today. One black dashed area encompasses parts of Texas. Another black dashed area today encompasses far southeastern Kentucky, far southwestern Virginia, western North Carolina, much of Tennessee, far northeastern Alabama, far northern Georgia, and far northwestern South Carolina. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter larger today. Cities in the black dashed areas include Nashville, Tennessee, Laredo, Texas, Knoxville, Tennessee, Chattanooga, Tennessee, and Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Okay? And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering parts of Texas, another 5% area covering southeastern Missouri, far south central Illinois, southern Indiana, most of Kentucky, a tiny bit of south central Ohio, parts of West Virginia, parts of Virginia, central North Carolina, parts of South Carolina, much of Georgia, much of Florida, much of Alabama, southeastern Louisiana, most of Mississippi, western Tennessee, and northeastern Arkansas. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, Charlotte, North Carolina, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Atlanta, Georgia. So, in summary, scattered thunderstorms with severe wind gusts and large hail are expected today over parts of the Tennessee Valley and southern Appalachians, with hailstones greater than 2 inches in diameter possible. Severe wind gusts and large hail will also be possible in other parts of the southeast, as well as west and south Texas, including the Rio Grande Valley. So, that's the day one outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today. Even in the marginal, because marginals can produce big sometimes. And my day two outlook will come out this afternoon. Take care.